Now start exercise 10.2 question number 12. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that the segments BD and CD are the lengths 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the length of AB and AC. Now look, as per question I have drawn the figure. ABC is drawn circumscribe a circle of radius OD, OE, OF equal to 4 cm. CD equal to 6 cm, BD equal to 8 cm. Now BD equal to BE equal to 8 cm. Since the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Similarly, CD equal to CF 6 cm and again AE equal to AF x centimeter it is assumed. Okay. Now BC, that is small a, means length of BC is denoted by small a, length of AB is denoted by C, small c, and length AC is denoted by small b. So BC equal to, that is A equal to 6 plus 8 14 centimeter. Small b, that is AC equal to 6 plus x centimeter, and C AB, length of AB equal to x plus 8. Okay. Now by Heron's formula I have determined the area of the triangle. So at first you find the S. S means half perimeter. That is A plus B plus C by 2. A equal to 14, B equal to x plus 6, C equal to x plus 8 by 2. Now adding 14, 6 and 8 you will get 28. So 28 plus x 2x by 2. Now take common between 28 and 2, that is 2. So 2 into 14 plus x by 2. 2 cancel. So S equal to 14 plus x. Now find out S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S means 14 plus x minus the value of A is 14. Look here. It is 14. So 14 plus x minus 14, that is x, because 14 cancel. S minus B, 14 plus x minus x plus 6. Now you break the bracket. 14 plus x minus 6. X cancel. So 14 minus 6, 8 centimeter. And S minus C, 14 plus x minus x plus 8. Now break the bracket. 14 plus x minus 8. X cancel and 14 minus 8, 6 centimeter. Now using Heron's formula which you have done in class 9. So area of triangle ABC equal to root under S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now put the values. The value of S is 14 plus x, S minus A, you look here x, S minus B is 8 and S minus C is 6 centimeter square. Now this is equation number 1 and next step you do. Again area of the triangle ABC you can determine by general formula. Area of triangle ABC is area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOC. And of triangle AOB, base is AB and height is OE. Since radius is perpendicular to the tangent, so OE is the height. Again OD is the height of triangle BOC and OF is the height of triangle AOC. Since radius is perpendicular to the tangent, so it is height. Now using this formula, I have done it. Area of AOB plus area of BOC plus area of AOC. Area of AOB equal to half into AB into OE. Area of BOC equal to half into BC into OD. And area of AOC equal to half into AC into OF. Now put the values. Half into AB's value is x plus 8 and OE is 4. And here half into 14 into 4 and here half into x plus 6 into 4. Now look here. half and 4 are common among all. So you take common half into 4 and within bracket you write x plus 8, 14 and x plus 6. So 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja 4. So write here 2. Now x plus x 2x and 8 plus 14 plus 6 28. Now take common 2. So 2 into 2 x plus 14. Now 2 2 ja 4 into x plus 14 centimeter square. This is equation number 2. Now you compare equation 1 and 2. Both have explained the area of triangle ABC. Show equation 1 equal to equation 2. And in equation 1 you have got the area root under 14 plus x into 8 into 6. And in equation 2 you have got the area of triangle ABC is 4 into x plus 14. Now to remove the square root, you have to squaring both sides. So squaring both sides, you remove the root and here 4 into x plus 14 into 4 into x plus 14. 2 times you write this. Now one of the 14 plus x or x plus 14 same thing cancel. What remains? X into 8 into 6. And here 4 into x plus 14. After removing x plus 14. Okay. Now 4 2 ja 8 here. So I have write here 4 into 2 into 6 into 4. 4 cancel 2 into x plus 14. Now 2 2 ja 4 here. Now x into 6 and 2 into x plus 14 and 2 3 ja 6. So 3x equal to x plus 14. So 3x minus x equal to 14, 2x equal to 14 and x equal to 7. Now you look the figure AC and AB you have to determine. AC equal to x plus 6. So 7 plus 6 and AB equal to x plus 8. That is 7 plus 8. So I have written here AC equal to x plus 6, that is 7 plus 6 13 centimeter. And AB equal to x plus 8, that is 7 plus 8 15 centimeter. Now okay,